Hello everyone, good morning. Quickly I'm going to show you something on step index. Yes, this particular video is just for step index. It's an upcoming trade setup for step index. The lowest lot 0.1 has the potential to make a profit target of about $500 while you take profit manually. Yes, and as always, there are two potential moves. We only flow with the market. We can't say exactly what the market will do. We just flow with the market direction. We do not move the market. We just flow with the market direction. We can only say the higher probability of what price is likely to do in any setup. So quickly on step index, as always, we go to the overall market direction. The weekly time frame says that price is clearly bullish. Since the introduction of step index into dairy synthetic indices in around August 2019, you can see that price is clearly bullish and bearish. Price has been falling since it came to be. You can see price has been going down. So quickly, I'm going to show you what we have in mind, what price is likely to do. So what do we do? Simply just come to the downtrend. Like I've always said in all my videos, it's simple to read charts. I'm just showing you how to read the chart and what to expect. And then you can see that price has already been reacting to this particular area already. You can see price is already reacting, preparing for either a fall, a push upward, creating a manipulation on confluence for a further fall from here, creating a double top, or a break upwards. Now let me explain. Just take a screenshot of this, but I'm going to explain what I mean. Let me delete all the arrows so you can understand properly what I'm talking about. Yes, the reason why I have two rectangles at both sides. The first rectangle here indicates that price is going to fall at the touch of the trend. Where's my arrow? Okay. Yeah, it shows that price is going to fall at the touch of this trend, as you can see. All through price history, you can see price responded to the trend here, responded to the trend here, responded to the trend here. And I told you about the trend, it has to be parallel. And as you can see, it responded here, lower, low, and altogether the trend is parallel. So this is a valid trend. So the first case scenario that price is going to do on step index is immediately it gets to the touch of the trend. Right now it does not yet touch it. Immediately touches the trend, price has the potential to fall massively. In fact, it has the potential to sell massively. If you open the 0.1 lot size, when you take TP at somewhere maybe around 8,500 in price TP, you'll be having about $500 and something in profit. That's a single position, if not more, because it can actually be more. The leverage is actually perfect. It's good. So this is the first case scenario. This video is going to be short and straight to the point. Now, the second case scenario is that price has the potential, which it usually does. Price has the potential to break the trend upward. It did it on V50. I posted the whole vote in the Telegram channel, and I told you options C1 because price broke the uptrend, created a manipulation and confluence, and then fell. For those who don't understand what a manipulation and confluence is, I'm going to explain it to you shortly here. When price eventually breaks this trend line, then a manipulation has occurred. Manipulation is something, it occurs when price reacts against the usual form of price behavior, of price action. Meaning that if price is supposed to fall at a particular point, following all price action techniques, price is supposed to fall there. But a manipulation would occur when price did not obey that law. And so you can understand properly. Now, once price breaks the upper trend line, you know that clearly a manipulation has occurred. But now, it was going to create a confluence. A manipulation can only be correct when there is a confluence. A manipulation can only be correct when confluences are made. So on V50 also, When that manipulation occurred, there was a confluence. And what's a confluence? A confluence is where two signal confirmations meet. Yes, that's my term though. It's where two signal confirmations meet. That means there are you have two assurances, you have two confirmations that let you know that yes, this move is actually going to happen. And so that's why we sold V50 last week. We made a lot of money on V50 last week in the group. So you can see now that once price breaks it upwards, creates a double top, a manipulation has occurred and a confluence has occurred. Now the confluence that has occurred is what? A double top. So price has the chance to either fall from the touch of the double top or fall from the trend. Now, you are sure now that as long as step index is an overall downtrend, all through the years, it has been falling. If it's going to go up, if it was bullish, when price got here, it should have broken it. That was around October 2021. It should have broken. If it was going to be bullish, when price got here, it should have broken. But as price did not break and continue to respond to the downtrend, we can as well say that step index is a bear market and it's a bearish market. And so we know exactly what price is going to do when price eventually gets here and when price eventually gets here. Now, in the event that price eventually decides to go bullish, that price eventually chooses to buy, change the market's direction and push upward, what do? Immediately after the break of this double top, that's why I put the line here, the zone here. What do? We buy. We don't even wait for pullback and retest. No, immediately it breaks, you buy straight, because that buy is going to be heavy. It's going to spearhead the beginning of a new change of direction. So the buy is going to be heavy, so you buy. You just buy and go up. So whether price goes up or down, you're going to make a lot of money from this pair. And I'm talking of in a few days, because price is going to move massively. And the thing with step index is that once price moves on step index, it moves. It moves, and it's also a very profitable pair. I love it because it has good leverage. So it moves. So you know exactly what price to do. I mean, you know exactly what to do as price moves. So either a buy or a sell, you know exactly what to do. Now let me go to lower time frame to show you how to enter, for people who might get confused. On lower time frame, you can see a trend is also formed. On the lower time frame, you're going to have to train your eyes to know how to spot trend. Yes, so you can see clearly that a trend is also formed on the lower time frame, and this is the M15 time frame. That's the 15 minutes time frame. You're really going to have to train your eyes to know how to spot trends. So what do? You enter at the break of the trend, period. In fact, you do not need to wait for any retest to here. Once price breaks the lower trend line, that's how to enter. You enter immediately for a sell, because that is just indicating to you that the bearish momentum is high. It's strong. Remember, the sell would have started from the top, but you are entering from the break of this particular trend. So that will indicate to you that the sell momentum is high and that you can enter now. You can make money from it. So you just enter, because sometimes if you're waiting for pullback, price might not get to where you expect your pullback to be. So the break will indicate to you that the price is changing direction for a sell. Price is going bearish. It's going to fall. So that is how to enter. I've told you now, on M15 you enter and make money. So I wish you the very best of luck and make profit, make progress. Send me the your growth progress, and then we shall all rejoice together. So thank you.